In today's video, I'll show you how to add emojis in Mailchimp to make your emails more fun and engaging. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. You can either create a new campaign or open an existing one. Once inside the campaign builder, click into the subject line or email body wherever you want the emoji to appear and place your cursor. Now open a new tab and head to emojipedia.org where you will find every emoji you need. Browse, pick the one that fits your message and copy it. Then go back to Mailchimp and simply paste the emoji right where your cursor was. Before sending, preview your email on both desktop and mobile to make sure the emoji displays correctly. A quick check ensures your message looks polished and professional. And that's it. You've added emojis to your Mailchimp campaign, a small touch that makes your emails more eye-catching and personal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Mailchimp tips.